Hi everyone, in this session we will cover the basics of the Maya interface and navigation. First, at the top of the screen we see the menu label File, Edit, Create, Select, Modify, Display and Windows. This is the main menu which includes options for modeling, rigging, animation and more. You might have noticed that when we change the drop down menu, the options in the main menu changes to reflect the selected category, such as modeling, rigging or animation, while the general layout remains consistent. Next to the drop down menu, we find shortcut icons for actions like new scene, open scene, save scene, as well as tools for snapping, symmetry, rendering, and sign in. We'll cover the snap and symmetry tools in detail in later sessions. Regarding workspace, Maya offers a variety of them. By default, the workspace is set to a general, but we can switch to the options like modeling standard, modeling export, sculpting, and UVs as needed. Below the menu bar, we have a row of shelves such as polygons, curves, surface, sculpting, and UV editing. Each shelf contains a set of tools that helps us quickly access a specific functions. On the right hand side, we see the channel box and layer editor. Here, if we create a sphere from the polygons shelf, we will see the sphere transformations value, which are initially set to 0. The attribute editor shows the attributes of the selected model or polygons. We will explore more tools in the modeling section in upcoming sessions. At the bottom of the interface, we have the timeline which is used for setting a keyframe for animations. There is also a playback controls here. To the left, we have the outliner which lists all the objects in the scenes, allowing us to rename them as needed. On the left hand side, there is also a viewport panel. The first panel shows the perspective view. The second panel split into four views: top, perspective, front and side. The third panel shows two camera angle, front and perspective. To switch views, press the spacebar on a particular camera. Alternatively, press the spacebar and right click to bring up a menu to select a specific camera or menu as quicker. Some essential selection tools are also available here, including the Move tool, Rotate tool and Scale tool. Now let's look at navigation in 3D space. To zoom in and out, hold the Alt key and right click the mouse. To pan, hold Alt and middle mouse button. To rotate, hold Alt and left mouse button. If the model moves out of the frame, select the model and press F to bring the center of the frame. This concludes our session on the Maya interface and navigation. I hope this helps you to get familiar with the basics. Thank you everyone.